So I'm heading to the shop now because I've got some stuff I need to take care of. I'm helping my parents with some stuff, and then I have to run up and put on another factory wheel and tire setup on the second gen, because the one that's on it now basically deflated all the way down to just sitting on the wheel. So yeah, we gotta get that figured out, take that off, get that fixed, and then we are going to pull it into the shop. If it will start, I think it will. I mean, it's been sitting there with like almost no gas in it, so it'll be interesting. I haven't driven it in like 2-3 weeks. I actually don't remember the last time I drove it, before the tire went flat. So with that being said, we are going to have quite the list of stuff to do today, between the second gen, the wheels, and all that kind of stuff, because I have sanding stuff coming in, sanding and more polishing equipment coming in today for the wheels. I'm probably going to actually debadge some of the stuff on the second gen, and then start doing some minor paint corrections. So we'll see. Depends on how ambitious I get today. But we are going to be doing a tune-up on the second gen because I do have a misfired cylinder 8. So that's kind of why the truck's been parked. So yeah, we're gonna see if this tune-up kit will actually help with some of the issues I've been having. And I've got a bunch more seals. I got a new air filter. So we're gonna see how this goes today, and hopefully the truck will be back and running, and I'll get that tire fixed. And if I have to, I can go get the spare tire for the the tire setup that I'm running now, because I'm running 35s versus my 33 by 12 50s. So yeah, without further ado, guys, I will see you guys here in just a little bit. I gotta make some stops real quick before I get down to the shop, and I will talk to you guys here in a few. What is up, guys? We are back in the second gen finally. So as I was saying earlier, the second gen does have a misfire in cylinder 8, so I bought a whole complete tune-up kit because this thing lacks in power. Mainly because I don't know if it was the 98.5 to 2000 model 5.9 360s. They had a massive issue with the plenum gasket basically giving out, and the intake system, the air intake system of the truck of the engine, I should say, not the truck. The engine actually would basically suck the plenum gasket into everything and just destroy it, which would cause an oil leak inside of the intake system. So it would also create a lack of power and a dead pedal, basically. So hopefully we'll get this thing fixed here pretty quick. I'll show you guys what I was dealing with earlier. So yeah, I'll see you guys here in a few. The shop with yet again the second gen. Where to start? Like this last couple weeks, I've had nothing but issues with this dang thing. As you can tell, we are back on the stocks. 35s here, you know, nothing weird. Nothing weird at all. Let's go over here and check this one. Well, we got the third gen stocks on this truck. We have an issue. So, as I was saying earlier in the video, there is an issue with this tire. What it is, I have no idea yet. I'm probably going to try and put air back in this tire, and then try to get it pumped up, and then I'm gonna spray it down with soapy water like usual. Do a pressure test, leak test, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, we're running the, I think 285, 275s on here on 16. I mean, they're all, no, those are 16s. The third gens are 17s. Doesn't really matter. All it had to do was move from one end of the driveway down here to the shop, and all it's got to do is go back. But as I was saying, we have some goodies for the second gen, and I'm going to probably attempt something that I know for a fact 2 people have successfully completed this. But I'll show you right here real quick. All right, so I got a light bar, well, a soft light kit that people use in like their headlights housings when they rebuild their headlights. But this is going to go into my door panel, not my door panel, my door handle. There we go, and basically make things easier or whatever. I'm going to trim it down to work as a running light and turn signal indicator. So with that being said, I have to basically figure out what to do with these, because I have no idea how I'm gonna do this yet. I haven't done it yet. I've seen a lot of guys. I've seen 3 people at least to my knowledge that have done this already. But I am planning on trying to figure out how to make my full-time amber my amber markers on my mirrors indicators. So yeah, we got a lot of work ahead of us, and I got to take the door panels off again. So, and when I do that, I'll probably readjust the passenger side mirror because it's kind of like in an angle. It doesn't seat against the door. So when we do that, I'm gonna do that. Then the next order of business is I got a new filter for the intake for the air cleaner. Then we got a whole tune-up kit, Bosch spark plugs. Then we got the male gaskets. These won't be used until another video, but we do got the United Automotive engine part cap, distributor cap, and then I think this is called the rotator, rotor, yeah. But that's all I got in that box. Everything, like everybody knows, everything comes from Rock Auto. So without further ado, let's get into this video. Alright guys, so we finally finished up the spark plug and wires. I'll give you guys a quick rundown of what everything looked like. Let me move all this stuff real quick. Okay, these are from the driver's side. As you can tell, pretty well burnt. We're gonna get the passenger side out. These are the passenger side. Nope, that's not the right one. This is the key. This is the one that had the issue the most. It's cylinder 8. As you can tell, it pretty much grenaded. Then here's the distributor cap. The tops are pretty well clean, but there is some corrosion going on inside the cap. And then here is the rotor. If it'll focus here. The one I put in has like almost like a T on it. This one is pretty well rounded off. The check engine light is finally off. Yes, I have my rock lights on for some reason. I don't know why I turned them on. But yeah, that pretty much wraps up tonight's video. I'm gonna end up doing a few other things to the truck tonight yet, but I won't be videoing that. That will be on TikTok and Instagram. But thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share to your friends and family. And I'll see you guys in the next video.